Hey friend, it's your girl Layla here, back with another YouTube video. Today, you guys, I'm going to teach you how to get this beautiful slick back ponytail. I'm going to teach you how to look cute today. You know what I'm saying? If you want to learn how to do this, keep on watching, but before you do, I just want to ask you guys to please leave a like, a comment, you know what I'm saying, subscribe. Let's get to that 100 subscriber goal. Yeah, let's get to that 100 subscriber goal, and let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so first we're going to start off by what you will need for this hairstyle. So you will need Eco Styler gel, or whatever gel you prefer, it really doesn't matter. You will also need any type of hard gel to keep your edges laid. And you will also need, of course, a hard wood brush and a regular brush. So first we're going to start off by parting. And basically I was parting my hair, wetting it a little bit, and putting the gel down. Since I have to buy a new spray bottle, for now we're just going to have to use a good old handy cup of water. As you can see right now, I am adding water on my hair just because it's easier for me to work with my hair and do it when I have water. Now I'm taking the Eco Gel and spreading it all over my head, brushing it in so it can be nice and smooth. Now I'm taking the gel and putting it all over the rest of my head. I'm also going to put it in sections, brush down the sections so it can hold down better and stay down better. Now I'm adding a little bit more gel just to secure a little bit of the dry places around, and I'm also going to add it just so it can hold a little bit more than it was before. Now I'm taking the hardwood brush and I'm going to start brushing around to smooth it down and put it into the ponytail.
And it goes a little something like
As you can see on this part, I was struggling a little bit to create the swoop for my head, but eventually I got it right. I'm taking my scrunchie and I'm going to put it in a ponytail. By the way, make sure your ponytail is not too tight. You don't want it to be the type of tight where you can't bend your neck. As you can see, there is a piece of my forehead peeking out from the swoop, so I'm just taking some gel and brushing it down, smoothing it out. Now that we We are all fixed. We are ready to go. Now I'm just adding the different kind of gel. This is the type of gel that holds things in place really well if you have a different type of hair type. And I'm just putting it on the tip of the swoop so I can hold it down and it won't move. By the way, when I say different hair types, I mean hair types that are harder to deal with when it comes to finding certain edge controls. So don't come at me in the comments, please. Now we're at the fun part, the edges.
And it goes a little something like.
Now I'm putting in this cute little money sign hair clip, and I don't really know how to put in the accessory clip, so I didn't mess up the swoop just a little bit, but not enough to be noticeable. This is the finished product. I hope you guys like how it turned out, because I sure did. But I just feel like this isn't enough. So we're gonna get cute, put on some lip gloss and something really cute. Okay, so now that we are in our cute outfits and our lips are not dry no more, we now looking crusty, we looking good. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 1 subscribers. Share, do whatever you gotta do, but let's get this video some views, okay? I'll see y'all guys whenever I upload. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays now, so stay tuned for that. I'll love you guys. Bye bye. I forgot to do my outro, so let's do it. Bye, friend.